All right, what's up, folks? It's your man Lou from MakeMoneyOnlineWithLou.com. And today I'm doing a income report from my 2020 case study as well as my 2021 case study that is currently open for enrollment. So if you saw my video for my 2020 case study, you saw exactly how much I made from about 50 videos and the small amount of clicks it took for me to make money. I'm doing the exact same thing in my 2021 case study, but it's open for enrollment. So I'm actually allowing people to watch this as it happens and see the exact products that I'm uploading, the exact keywords that I'm uploading them for, and for people to basically see the traffic, the clicks, and the conversions. So you'll know exactly what's making money, the exact product that's making money, and the keyword that generated the income. So you can just copy that campaign and get the same results. And on top of that, there's also a bunch of other content on the site as well. Like there's a ClickBank case study where you see me set up a campaign for ClickBank. There's a Commission Junction case study where I set up a campaign for Commission Junction. Also one for Amazon. And on those, you see me get to the first page, get my YouTube videos to the first page of Google and YouTube, and also make a sale for the Amazon case study. Then there's also an SEO course where I teach you SEO, some things that you don't typically hear in most SEO trainings. And on top of that, there's also a 2018 ClickBank case study where you see me take my income from around $500 a month up to $6,500 in a single month. So that's also included on the website. So there's a bunch of other bonus material besides the 2021 YouTube case study. But the YouTube case study is what's ongoing. And then there's other content I'm lacing in that as well. So it's a great thing. It'll help you make money. So think about that as we go through this. So, that, of course, the link to that is below this video. You can click that link. It'll take you to the homepage of MakeMoneyOnlineWithLou.com. And you can sign up there. Okay. And also, one last thing, if you're on the fence about that, if you scroll past the buy now or the sign up button on MakeMoneyOnlineWithLou.com, you'll see where it says proof that my students make money. Just scroll down and read that and see how many people that I've helped retire from, having to work for money because they now make passive income from the internet, and the amount of people that I've helped make their first $100 on the internet. So when you see that, Okay, so let's jump into this. So the case study from 2020, I'm still making money from that, of course. These are videos that I uploaded months ago. If you watched the case study, you saw the majority of those videos came from June, June of 2020, and I'm still making money from them this month. I'm expanding this case study now. The 2020 channel, I'm going to continue to expand those channels because I now have a virtual assistant, somebody that I've hired to do the work for me. So, I can continue to generate content for that case study while I'm doing the content for my 2021 case study. So both will continue to grow. But in the 2021 one, you'll get to see me doing it as opposed to the videos from my virtual assistant. So that's going to be great. I'm going to keep you updated about what's happening with the 2020 case study as well as the 2021 case study. So as you can see on the screen, this is a snapshot from my ShareCell account. Okay, so if you watch the other video from my 2020 case study, you're probably tired of hearing that by now. Then I was using ShareCell last year for that 6-month case study to try to generate income and see what could happen from uploading YouTube videos. And last month in January, I made $211 from that, from 20 sales, as you can see. Of course, I had to black out the names of the companies because I don't want you copying these campaigns. Now, in my new case study, which, like I said, link below this video, you'll be able to see those products. I'm going to show you everything, but my 2021 will remain a mystery. So as you can see, $211 from videos I did last year, basically. So that money is still coming in, basically just showing you proof of concept that it still works. It's actually still working. Haven't touched these videos or done anything to them, and now they're generating income again. Or continue to generate income. Here is one from Commission Junction. Not as impressive, of course. I focused more heavily on ShareCell last year than I did Commission Junction, but the only one that doesn't count is this one. So this $17 is from a campaign that I did in 2019. So even that is still paying me, but I'm not going to count that into this equation. And this is also from that campaign. This was the lead, and then it turned into a sale. So as you can see here, let's see. So that was $42 for January plus the 211. So that's 200. How much was it? 42. So that's $253 basically for January. And that's just from the work that I did last year. This isn't total, of course. These are just from, this income is just from that specific 2020 case study. This isn't including anything else that I've already doing. So I don't want you to think that that's it, but that's, you know, from the 2020 case study. Here is the YouTube channel. Isn't it beautiful? My YouTube channel for my new case study. As you can see, all of these videos say 2021. Some videos get some views and some haven't. Some are doing better than others. But as you can see, we have a total of 8 videos up so far for the first month. The average last year, I averaged around 9 videos a month and was still able to generate the income I generated there. So I'm pretty much still on track, but I want to get to the point where I'm doing around 20 videos a month or reviewing around 20 different products a month, and then see what that income looks like as well, and then scale up some of my more successful stuff as well. So that's the goal there. So from this, we have so far 97 views in the first month. As you can see here, January 2021, 97 views in the first month from 8 videos. So, you know, we're off to a really good start. Actually, we have 1 subscriber and a total of around 3 hours of watch time. So we're really off to a good start for it to be the first month. And then over here, as you can see, Linkshare is the network that I'm targeting, at least for the first month of the case study. Linkshare, or it's now called Racketed. They're the network that I'm targeting so far for the first 8 videos that I've uploaded. And as you can see here, I've gotten 27 clicks so far. So already generating traffic that is turning into clicks, meaning that what I'm saying in the videos is getting people to click and go to the merchant. That's the most important thing, because that's how you make the money. All right. So I focus heavily on that in the case study as I'm teaching you how I'm creating these campaigns and creating my reviews and stuff. But that's the purpose. You need to know how to get people to be confident enough to click your link and then go to the merchant and then purchase. That's how you make money. You know, you can focus on all that other stuff, but if people don't want to click the link, then you're really missing the point. Your website can be beautiful, your videos can be beautiful, your thumbnails can be eye-catching, but if people don't want to click the link, it doesn't matter, right? So you need to know how to get people to click the link, and that's where pre-selling comes in. And that's pretty much what the purpose of my case studies is for, is to teach you how I come up with the pre-selling scripts and teach you how to pre-sell. And then you get to see the results from what I did, so that you know it actually works. And if you're copying the same pattern, then you'll get the same results. Then you know for a fact that it works, right? And then you can just duplicate that on your own after the case study is over, because you'll have attained all those skills. So that's the point of that. And we'll continue. I will continue with the case study, the income reports, because I love to watch growth. And I know there's some people out there who are tired of like the scammy people who promise overnight success in 30 days until you make enough money to replace your income from your job and all that type of stuff. That's not really how it works. And I think people are kind of waking up to that fact now, that there's no such thing as fast money. And yeah, so hopefully people are waking up to that, and you also like to see growth, because that's what I like to see. That's why I love making case studies. I love watching case studies. To me, it's like my most entertaining form of reality TV, watching case studies. So I love to do them because they show you proof of the concept, but then they also show you the learning curve, which most people skip and want to go straight to the success. But the learning curve is where you develop the skills that you'll be able to use to duplicate your success. So you can't skip the learning curve. So when you see stuff like this, you see something start with 97 views in the first month, 27 clicks, no sales yet. You get to see that grow and say, wow, that's where that started from, with 8 videos. And then after this amount of months, he had this many videos, this many clicks, this much money. So you get to see it start. You get to see the seed planted, and then you get to see the plant grow. You know, and if people are aware of that process, they won't get discouraged during that process. That's the point. So I want you to see me struggle. I I want you to see me get bored. I want you to see me get tired. I want you to see me go through all those things. And then you'll know that it's normal when you go through it, but you'll also get to see me overcome it, right? Because that's really what matters. Everybody gets tired, but how do you endure? And it's a skill. We're not equipped with that. We don't come naturally equipped with that. They don't teach us that. So that's kind of what the case study is for me to demonstrate that process to you, how to overcome that, how to overcome your procrastination, your fears, your doubts, all those things. So you can become more successful without me, because eventually you'll outgrow me, right? So that's the point, is to get you to outgrow me. So yeah, the only way you can do that is to teach somebody to actually be successful and not just a customer like everybody else is doing. So to watch me do the boring stuff is actually how you grow out of being a customer. So I invite you to grow out of being a customer by clicking the link below and signing up for my 2021 case study, my YouTube case study. Watch me grow an income right in front of you, and then copy it and make some money as well, right? And then attain skills that you'll be able to use even after the case study is done. Right now it's February the 1st. The price will probably double within the next month or so, because within the next month or so, the commissions should start to come in. When the commissions start to come in, I'm going to alert people, letting them know that commissions are coming in and the price is going up. People will have one last chance to join. And, who knows when that'll be? That could be tomorrow. It could be next week. It could be the end of the month. But I'm assuming by March, by the end of March, at least, the price will have doubled. So if you haven't joined before that, you should join now. For everyone else, thank you for watching the video. I will see you in another one, probably when we make our first sale, which I'm assuming will be this month. I'll let you know about that, and what the clicks, how all that stuff, how many clicks it took and all that stuff. I'll keep you updated. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in another one. Click the link below, and I'll see you on the inside of makemoneyonline with Lou.com. All right, thanks. Have a good one.